Hello everyone. In today's project, we will be learning how to create a repeating pattern using turtle and a for loop. First step is to pick the import turtle block from the import section. After that, we will be picking blocks from the turtle section. The first block that we will be picking will be the turtle block, and the next block will be the screen block. These blocks are used to define the turtle and the screen. After that, add in the turtle speed block from the turtle section. This block defines the speed of the turtle pen. Now, let's start forming our design. Pick a while true loop from the loops section first and place it below speed block. The while true loop runs forever. Now pick the for loop from the loops section. Place the loop within the while true block. Now we add in the turtle forward blocks from the turtle section. The turtle forward blocks specify that the turtle will move in the direction specified. We add 2 of these turtle forward blocks inside the for loop. Add another forward block inside the while true block below the for loop block. Now that we have added in these blocks, we need to toggle the second forward block to left. Now toggle the third forward block to right. Head to the loop block and specify the number of times the loop will be executed. After that, we need to carefully specify the angle in the second block at which the turtle will turn. Now specify the degree at which the turtle will shift every time the loop is executed. Perform a final check, and if correct, run the code and observe the output. The desired pattern starts forming slowly. Similarly, using turtle, we can create more shapes, designs, and patterns.